How to change iPhone color back to normal. If your iPhone screen color looks odd or is not displaying normally, so you can follow these steps. First of all, open settings from your iPhone's home screen. Then, once inside the settings, scroll down and look for the accessibility option available in there and simply tap on the accessibility. Now, once in there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the display and text size option available in there. Again, inside the display and text size, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the color filters and simply tap on it. If it is turned on, then turn it off. Sometimes color filters can be turned on accidentally. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.